everyone, I am Allison. I am the marketing coordinator here at Get Online NOLA, and today I'm going to talk to you about Instagram stories. I'm sure by now you know that Instagram can be a really powerful marketing tool for your brand, and Instagram stories is the kind of new version that allows you to share more casual, up-to-date content with your fans. In this case, we filmed this video in advance, which now we can share on our Instagram stories. We can add filters, and we can add stickers or polls that make the content a little more rich for your users. Let's say you're a restaurant. You can use Instagram polls to talk to your fans about whether or not they would like peach ice cream or pie for dessert tonight. They simply vote on the screen, and you can see what they would prefer. You can share both photos and videos on Instagram stories and then enhance that content with things like polls, stickers. The filters are very popular, and geolocation and hashtags, which are really important for branding. Hashtags and geotagging work the same on Instagram stories as they would on your feed, except for they will disappear in 24 hours. So if you put a hashtag on, people can still click it and see the other things that pop up in that hashtag. And if you geolocate it, it can also go into the whole Instagram story of that area. Hashtags work in the same way. All of the Instagram content lives in the same area, and you add a hashtag. Then you can move it around wherever you like and add to your story. Then you can click on that hashtag and it'll bring you to all of the other content. When you do share really special content on your Instagram stories, you do have the option of saving them. This is somewhat of a new feature. It's called your highlights on Instagram, and when you go to your profile, you can see these highlights to show like when you went to a special event or when you had a brand new product launch or something like that, and that way people can get all that information at once and it doesn't disappear after 24 hours. Instagram stories work a lot like Snapchat in that they disappear after 24 hours, but unlike Snapchat, you get all the benefits of being on Instagram, like your Instagram feed, and Snapchat has started to lose a lot of its dedicated followers, so more of them are turning to Instagram and Instagram stories. Instagram stories are not right for every brand because the content tends to work well for younger people. About 60% of users are under the age of 30 years old. So for brands who don't necessarily target younger people, Instagram stories is not really for you. Instagram stories also need to be really fun and compelling to make people want to watch them. So if you're going to feel uncomfortable in front of the camera or you don't really like to share behind the scenes shots, it's probably not going to be the best choice for you either. And that is it. That is the bare basics of what you need to know about Instagram stories. Look forward to more videos coming from us soon, and we will see you next time.